Hello guys, welcome to today another cooking video. Today we're gonna be cooking a fried rice. So for this recipe we're going to need 2 cups of cooked rice. This is jasmine rice and it's all dried, so I cooked it yesterday and let it dry for overnight. And also the ingredients: we need a wok, we need some sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds, we're gonna need some soy sauce, 2/3 of carrots, half a cup of onion, less a cup than onions, and it's, as you can see, it's like the dices are not too small and not too big, so like maybe like 1/2 inch square. Some green beans, need some egg, some ginger, garlic, and also we're going to need some mushrooms, diced mushrooms. So we need all this for the vegetarian fried rice, but also you can add anything. You can add shrimp, chicken, steak, anything you want. Pork belly, it's pretty good with the fried rice. Definitely, you should try that. But this is the vegetable version of the fried rice. Hopefully I'll make it right for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. And thank you again for your support and for watching my cooking videos. So let's just get started. Alright guys, make sure your wok is it's really hot, and make sure you season your wok before using it. And this, guys, I already seasoned my wok, and I'm just gonna clean it with some oil and clean it around. So, and don't be afraid to add a good amount of oil. And now I didn't scramble. I'm not gonna scramble my egg. I'm just gonna scramble before cooking. I'm gonna scramble my egg while it's cooking, and make sure, like I say, it has a good amount of oil. Scramble there, and then I'm just going to cook it, and then we're going to remove it. And we're gonna cook our vegetables. We got the onion first. We got the green beans, and we also got the carrots, and we got our mushrooms. This one, make sure you got a little good amount of oil, canola oil. In this case I'm using avocado oil. Just make sure you give it like nice hard sear on the vegetables. And like I said, don't be afraid to use a good amount of oil. That way the vegetables will get crispy, and also they're not gonna get stuck together. And it's just the nice flavor of the oil will get in your vegetables and the rice, and it's really, trust me, it's really delicious. So don't be afraid to add extra oil on your fried rice. And now adding the 2 cups of rice, cooked rice. Make sure there's no crumbs form in your rice. So everything has to be completely dried, and make sure you dried it overnight. Kind of spread it around. And now we're adding the sesame oil. The sesame oil, I probably did 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. So you go around, and then a little bit more extra avocado oil or canola oil, whatever you have around, and make sure you give it a nice stir. It smells really good, guys. And I forgot to mention, make sure your hood is it's on, and also your doors, because it gets really smoky. So I definitely would recommend you to open the doors um, and the hood, make sure it's on, because it's gonna be like crazy smoky. And also here I'm gonna be adding a 1 clove of chopped garlic and same amount of ginger. So ginger and whatever amount of garlic you put in, it has to be the same amount of ginger as well. And now adding approximately 1 tablespoon of sesame soy sauce all around. Now adding the scrambled egg as well. Make sure you get it really nice, break it down, and make sure it gets in everywhere. And also adding 1 teaspoon of sweet soy. This sweet soy I made it at home, so it's just my own recipe as well. I'll link into the description. Make sure you guys get a nice toss around. Right after adding all the sauce, like soy sauce, sweet soy, sesame oil, I make sure you go ahead and turn it off, because pretty much this is the end. And let's plate it up. And now also I'm adding some green onions on the fried rice. They don't have to be perfectly chopped, but I mean whatever you can do your best, and it's up to you. And I just gotta say, it smells really good, guys. And thumbs up. And also up to this point, I like I mentioned before, the fire is completely off, so pretty much it's done. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is gonna add a little bit of lemon juice, and that should be it. Now this is the fun part of my cooking. It's when you plate out the food. That's excitement of plating out the food, make sure everything looks all nice and clean, and you can see all the colors from the vegetables. It's just, it's really a nice, great experience to feel that way when you plate out the food. And it's just an amazing experience for me. And so this is our finally fried rice. Now adding some toasted sesame seeds. Make sure you get all around. And now adding some green onions just for garnish, to make the dish pretty. And also I just hope you guys have enjoy making this recipe, and it's really easy and simple. And honestly, if you don't have a wok, then you can use a regular pan, but make sure your pan is really hot, because otherwise everything would stick on the bottom. Hopefully you guys have fun and enjoying making this. It doesn't need to be like perfect, but the excitement and the experience that you always will get once you're making food, it's just unbelievable. Smelling all the flavors, it's for me, it's just magic. Hope you guys have fun making it. Okay, just don't stress about it if you don't make it right at the first time. It takes time. So, and now definitely I really recommend to using this garlic chili sauce that you can buy in any store. That is a really good. It just, when you add the spicy sauce in there, it just makes all the flavors together. I personally, I would like to recommend using the garlic chili sauce, because it's really good. And now let's try our final dish: vegetarian fried rice. Let's try it. That's really good. Probably this is not the traditional way to make the fried rice, but hey, it's really good. You got all the vegetables in there. You got the stuff that I had extra, the sesame, toasted sesame seeds, and I also got some sweet soy, homemade sweet soy. I got some soy sauce. I got ginger and garlic. The ginger and garlic gives nice, brilliant flavors in the dish, so I definitely recommend that to in your fried rice. And of course, you gotta add some of this chili garlic sauce. It's really good. You can find any convenience store. That's all I can say, and I just want to say thank you guys again for watching the video and supporting and watching my videos, and then I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.